Train, train, God, it's those, a train, train, just heard it, huh, yeah, yeah, I know.
See that station platform?
Yeah.
You can still see the old Southern rail line there. From like the 1800s.
Oh yeah, it's buried. It's all the way buried in the ground.
Yeah, all the way over there at the third rail crossing, you can see where the track would go under it.
Oh yeah, I know. I remember I saw that.
The train's very far way away. Oh yeah, you can also take one of my spikes if you want to. Those are from a couple weeks ago. They've still been here.
Yep.
And I took one and removed all the rust off of it. See how these are all rusty?
Oh yeah.
Here it comes. Here's an old one. This is from the 1800s, without a doubt.
Dang.
It's definitely a CSX because Norfolk Southern don't come this way.
Yep. I'm also
And these
surprised.
tracks are inactive, so we don't have to worry about these.
I'm also surprised they actually fixed that mechanical bell right there. That bell has not turned on for a very long time.
Sorry, kept track of that.
Yep. Here's our train. I've been waiting here for a long time to get one.
Yeah, it looks like we got to say ES44CW-9. I know all my railroad classes. It looks like it could be like a 4-unit lashup, and that is definitely CSX.
That is a ET44C4. That's tier 4. Here it is.
Yeah, that's CSX.
Yep, tier 4. Yep, dual tier 4s. Nice.
A -9 and a -8.
Yeah. I never seen them go dual.
I was predicting it was going to be a full locomotive lashup, and there you go.
Yeah. With all the railroad replacements right here, this is more of like a rail yard now. Same. I think that's probably like the first 5-bay. Yep. Yep. I don't know why they have those though, but they're very small. I know.
That's a New York Central. That's what it's like.
No, but if you looked at it closely, you can see exactly it was actually a Penn Central. Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, and 3 weeks ago I saw like Conrails on the road. Conrails, what before CSX?
Yeah, no. CSX and Norfolk Southern came before Conrail, and then Conrail and
Actually,
CSX.
that is true. Norfolk Southern was actually founded in the 1880s.
And then yeah. And then when CSX and Norfolk Southern put together, that was what actually created.
That was in 1993 when Conrail was
yeah, went out of business.
Yeah, Chapter 11 bankruptcy.
Yeah, but they actually officially went out of business, but there's the very few places where they actually operate still today.
Yeah.
And this train just slowed
Oh,
down.
that's from Canada.
Yep.
Refrigerator cars.
Oh yeah, you can see because of the AC unit.
The reefer cars.
Yeah.
They're the class standard 3-bay hoppers.
We got a loaded spine car.
Gourmet hopper, spine car with lumber.
Yep. I really wish I had a hoodie on right now. It's cold out here.
Look, BNSF.
Oh yes, the BNSF spine center beam car. I only came out here to check out on the signals to see if they were green, but then when I heard that K5HL.
I know my locomotive.
Yep.
Yeah, I like how they have for the older locomotives, like the G35, G39, G40, they have the license plate on the side.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they have it under their numbers.
Yeah, but that dash 8, that B40-8, that was number 44 in their entire fleet. That's the 44th CSX locomotive in that class.
That was actually dash 9. That was dash 9.
And what was the one in Guilford?
That was the ET44, tier 4 unit.
So that's pretty much a dash 10.
I guess you could say. It always gets me wondering, like whenever there's a long train coming by, I always wonder if there'll be.
Probably gonna be like 12 miles.
It always gets me wondering if there will be the mid DPU or DPU.
Probably. That was a mix of EMD and General Electric.